Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today is living room makeover reveal day, and guys, I'm so happy that I finally got this video done. I've had these video clips for a while now and I just have not had the chance or the time to complete the edit. I'm going to show you what I have done, and I'll probably show you a quick snippet of what the before looked like just so you refresh your memory. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm going to start off with this side of the living room, and look at the credenza, guys, the floating credenza that I envisioned. Guys, if I'm telling you that this turned out exactly how I envisioned. The all-white credenza, floating, not too big, not taking up too much space in my condo. And guess what? It turned out exactly how I wanted it. I even added the wood top. I added that on that to give it an extra, special look, make it look a little more, detailed and not so IKEA-ish. No one can't tell me this was from IKEA. But yeah, and you can see I have my plants. I set up here. I have the little faux plants and the real plants. I got my vases from Target and IKEA. They came in different colors. All I did was simply paint them, spray paint them white. Guys, if you didn't already see my last video that shows you what this credenza looked like prior to you seeing it now, you definitely have to check out that video. You'll be shocked from what it looked like before to what it looked like now. The DIY on this made a big difference to give me this look. For real, this side is my favorite because I'm just so proud of how the credenza turned out. The paint job, the leveling on the cabinets. You can't even tell that there were two windowed cabinets. 2 of the 4 had a glass window, and I had to level it out with the rest of the cabinets, and you can't even really tell, although this cabinet's slightly open. But yeah, and then I put the little hooks on the top so that you can open it. I put the light wood so it can break up the colors in the living room to kind of give it a more warmed up space so it doesn't look too white and black, too stark. And of course my plants. I love plants, and you probably can tell by the amount of plants I have. But yeah, I don't know, just looking at plants in my space just makes me feel so happy. Makes me feel like I'm outdoors, but I'm not outdoors. Make me feel like I can breathe in the air a little bit easier. I repainted that to make it white. I got this green plant right here from Home Goods. I got that one from the Dollar Tree. I got this as a gift, I think Christmas gift, I'm not sure. I got it as a gift, my husband and I, from one of his cousins. Thank you, Jacqueline. And yeah, you got the back part right there, which is the grassy towel that I have out on the balcony. We had some left over, so my husband came up with the genius idea to put that there to kind of give it more of a greenery, add more greenery to the living room. And not only that, it helped block the cords from the television, so that way it's not an eyesore without having to put holes in the wall, because I did not really want to put holes in the wall. But yeah, and of course more plants. That one is real and this one is fake. You'll find a lot of real fake in the house, but I don't discriminate when it comes to plants. Real, fake, I'll take them all, but I do prefer mostly greenery. I'm not really into a bunch of different flowers, although you'll find hints of pink when it comes to flowers. Guys, as you can see, the living room turned out nice. It's simple, minimalistic, exactly how I wanted. As you can see, the mirrors, I got 2 instead of 3, and I got them in 2 different sizes so that it can give it a more funky, you know, minimalistic look. See the couch, guys? It's big. I love it. Totally worth my $100. If you don't know how I got this couch for $100, this whole sectional for $100, you should definitely check out my first video on this channel. Both of us can lay out on this couch comfortably. And my husband is what, 5'11", and I'm 5'5.5", and we still managed to stay on this couch comfortably. But yeah, guys, look at the pillows, look at the details. It has these little knots on there. I love this. It's so cute. I literally went to 3 different Home Goods to find more than one of those pillows and to find a second one of this pillow. I thought this was so cute. It's like a jean fabric. Look at the details on there. I love it. I think it's so nice. If you don't already know, you should watch my last video on makeover savings that showed you how I got this coffee table practically for nothing. $20 on clearance. It was yellow. I painted it black because I wanted it to go with my aesthetics. And then I put some cute little stuff on there. I put this right there. This is actually a gift from my aunt on my husband's side. Thank you, Nancy. And then over here, I got another plant. You'll notice I have a lot of plants in this house, and that one is actually real. And then this right here saved me a lot of money because I thought this was really cute. It's actually a picture frame that I got on clearance from Home Goods, and I converted it to a tray. And then these, you know, you got to have a coaster. You have to have a coaster. And then this is the cutest ring holder. How cute is this, guys? Got that from Home Goods as well. This is what it was. Now, oh no, actually TJ Maxx. I'm wrong. Too cute. You got to have a ring holder so that way you can have some place to place them. Otherwise, my husband will lose them if you don't have some place to drop them. And if you want to layer your books, but you don't have the money to be able to put them, to buy the ones you want, get some affordable books from the Dollar Tree. That's exactly what I did. And it fit exactly the vibe I was going for. This is me, period. And of course, Great Toast. And then I have the Book of Luke, which is a book in the Bible. And then I got this from Restoration Hardware. And you get this for free. And look how nice this looks. I didn't even have to go pay lots of money for magazines. I got really creative on that. And guys, look at this coffee table. And then some of the edges came out a little yellow, but I actually liked it because it kind of made it look like it was purposely rusted to look like with some accent of yellow and black. I love the coffee table. So minimal. And you have right here, which is the dividing wall between the living room and the dining room. And I just put this right there. I love this. It's so cute. I saw this again on clearance in Home Goods in the same spot where I found the tray, I believe. And look at the details on that. It has nails. So it's like nailed down with strings to create a heart. This lamp, I love the shape of it. I got that at Ikea as well on clearance. Can't forget that part, on clearance. And then, of course, if you're wondering what those little knots are right there on each side, I blame my husband. That's actually the speakers. And then I got my little plant right here, more plants. This plant is so low maintenance, it's not even funny. I don't even have to do much, minus the fact that you get some spiders here and there. And then I got my seed table. I actually showed you guys this already on one of the other videos, my dining room tour. If you haven't seen my dining room tour, then you should definitely check that out as well, because it'll show you how I got this to look the way that it did. It wasn't always black and white. And yeah, guys, and as you can see, that's the dining room chair because that's where the dining room. If you want to see the dining room tour, you got to go check that video out. I won't go into that in this video. Look at how my chair turned out. How cute is this accent chair? You can't tell me this is a patio chair. That does not look like a patio chair. It has some clean lines. It looks modern. It looks expensive, at least more expensive than what I bought it for, in my opinion. This living room makeover practically cost me nothing. And the carpet, I love it, but I feel like I could do better in the space. But for now, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you love this video.